Wonder what I got. We'll find out. All right, so a friend of mine sent me a text today and said he picked up a couple guns and he owed me some money and yada, yada, yada. Asked me if I wanted to take the guns for what he owed me. I says, sure, I don't care. Ain't no big thing. So let's see what I got. He said the one's a muzzle loader, didn't know much about it, and the other one's a shotgun. So let's see what we got. Well, it looks Thompson center-ish. Let's see what she says. 54 caliber Hawkins. They've taken the rear sight off, but they've got a peep sight on here. That's kind of nice. Not familiar with that peep sight. Nice looking peep sight though. Ought to work. So that is a Thompson Center Hawkins 54 caliber. Let's see what's in the Mossberg box. Looks like a 500. Got a little short bird barrel, or little short barrel on it. See if it says what model it is. Read owner's manual. I think they're marked down here. Let's flip it over. Model 88. New one to me. Looks unfired though. Somebody's got some shells in here. Let's see if they are. Looks like number 4 shot. There's a choke tube wrench. Paperwork. So this is probably the barrel. Probably have choke tubes in it. Yep. So it's a nice barrel. It's vent rib. It's got to be the same as a 500. Don't know why they call it an 88. I don't see anything that don't look like a 500 on it. But you take what you get when you get it. So, be all right. Got lots of friends and family. Always need a house gun. So, seen me unbox some stuff that you just take stuff because people know you're looking for it. And you just don't worry about it. You just, okay, he don't owe me no more. We're square. We'll find somebody to trade, swap, whatever. Family member needs one. We'll get it taken care of. So, like I always said, like, comment, subscribe. It helps the algorithm. God bless you and God bless America.